Hi there, I'm Mrs. English. Today we'll practice 200 sentences together to help you speak with confidence. Listen, repeat, and remember, you can pause anytime. If you find this lesson helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to join our classroom. And don't forget to share this with a friend who is also learning. Ready? Let's begin. I go to the dentist today. The dentist office is clean. I sit in the waiting room. There are magazines on the table. The receptionist smiles at me. I fill out a form. My appointment is at 10. I feel a little nervous. And the dental chair is big. The dentist wears white clothes. She checks my teeth carefully. I open my mouth wide. The light is very bright. She uses small tools. The tools are made of metal. I need to brush better. She cleans my teeth now. The water rinses my mouth. I spit into the sink. My teeth feel very clean. Do you visit the dentist? How often do you go? I go twice a year. Regular checkups are important for health. The dentist looks at my gums. My gums are healthy and pink. She asks about my toothbrush. I brush my teeth every morning. I also brush before bed. Do you use dental floss? Flossing helps prevent cavities in teeth. I should floss every single day. The dentist shows me how. She is very patient with me. I watch her demonstration carefully today. Now I try it myself. It is not too difficult. Practice makes it much easier. The assistant helps me too. She gives me a new toothbrush. The toothbrush is soft and blue. Soft brushes are better for gums. I also get some toothpaste. The toothpaste tastes like mint flavor. Mint makes my mouth feel fresh. Do you like mint toothpaste too? Some people prefer other flavors instead. Children often like strawberry or bubble gum. My daughter uses strawberry toothpaste daily. She brushes her teeth every day. The dentist finds a small cavity. A cavity is a hole in tooth. I need to get a filling. Fillings repair the damaged teeth areas. I am not happy about this, but it is necessary for health. The dentist explains the procedure clearly. First, she will numb my mouth. The numbing medicine stops the pain. I will not feel anything bad. She injects the medicine very slowly. My lip starts to feel strange. It feels big and very heavy. This feeling is completely normal though. The numbness will go away later. Now she prepares the filling material. The drill makes a loud noise. I do not like that sound. But the procedure does not hurt. She works quickly and carefully always. The filling is white like teeth. Nobody will see the filling there. Modern fillings look very natural now. The dentist smooths the filling surface. She asks me to bite down. Does it feel comfortable for you? I nod my head to say yes. The filling feels fine in my mouth. She gives me some important instructions. I should not eat for hours. I cannot drink hot drinks right now. The numbness needs time to disappear completely. I might bite my lip accidentally. I must be very careful today. The receptionist schedules my next appointment. I will come back in months. She prints out a reminder card. The card shows the date and time. I put it in my wallet. I do not want to forget. How much does the treatment cost? The receptionist explains the total price. My insurance covers most of it. I only pay a small amount. I am grateful for good insurance. I pay with my credit card. She gives me a receipt for records. I thank the dentist for help. She reminds me to floss daily. Good oral hygiene prevents future problems. I leave the dentist office feeling better. My teeth are clean and healthy now. I walk to my car outside. My mouth still feels numb and tingly. I cannot feel my lower lip at all. I look funny when I try to smile. I decide to go straight home today. I will not eat lunch right now. I can eat when numbness goes away. I drink some cold water at home. My friend also went to the dentist. She had a teeth cleaning last week. Her teeth look white and very shiny. She wants to get teeth whitening done. Whitening makes teeth look brighter and cleaner. The dentist offers different whitening treatment options. Some treatments happen at the dentist office. Other treatments you can do at home. My friend will ask about the cost. White teeth make people feel more confident. My son is afraid of the dentist. Many children feel scared about dental visits. The dentist is very kind to him. She shows him all the tools first. He can touch them and ask questions. This helps him feel less afraid today. The dental chair goes up and down. He thinks this is fun to watch. The dentist counts his teeth out loud. He has 20 baby teeth in total. Baby teeth fall out when children grow. Adult teeth grow in to replace them. My son already lost 2 front teeth. The tooth fairy visited our house twice. She left money under his soft pillow. He was very excited about the money. Now he is not scared anymore today. He even likes going to the dentist. The dentist gives him a sticker. He also gets a small toy prize. Some people need braces on their teeth. Braces help to straighten crooked teeth properly. My niece got braces last year in June. She wears them for 2 whole years. At first her teeth hurt quite badly. She could only eat soft foods then. Now she is used to them completely. She brushes her teeth very carefully daily. Food can get stuck in the braces. She cannot eat sticky candy or gum. The orthodontist adjusts her braces every month. Each visit takes about 30 minutes usually. He tightens the wires to move teeth. Her teeth are moving into better positions. She will have beautiful straight teeth soon. She is excited to get them off. After braces, she will wear a retainer. The retainer keeps teeth in their place. She must wear it every night forever. This protects her perfect smile for life. Dental emergencies can happen to anyone sometimes. My husband broke his tooth last month. He bit down on something very hard. Part of his tooth broke off completely. He called the dentist right away immediately. They gave him an emergency appointment today. The dentist examined his broken tooth carefully. He needed a crown to fix it. A crown is like a cap for teeth. It protects the weak tooth from breaking. The dentist made a temporary crown first. He wore it for 2 weeks at home. The permanent crown was made in laboratory. It matches his other teeth color perfectly. The dentist cemented it in place securely. Now his tooth looks normal again completely. He can eat all foods without pain. He is more careful when he eats. Hard foods can damage teeth very easily. Prevention is always better than treatment later. I teach my children about dental health. We brush our teeth together every morning. I show them the proper brushing technique. They need to brush for 2 minutes. We use a timer to count time. They brush all surfaces of their teeth. Front, back, and top surfaces need cleaning. We sing a song while we brush. This makes brushing more fun for everyone. Healthy habits start when children are young. Sugar is bad for your teeth health. Bacteria in your mouth love eating sugar. They make acid that hurts tooth enamel. Enamel is the hard outer tooth layer. We try to limit sugary snacks daily. We drink water instead of sweet soda. Water is the best drink for teeth. Taking care of teeth is very important. I am glad I visited the dentist. I will see her again in 6 months. Great job, you finished today's lesson. You practiced 200 sentences. I am very proud of you. Please write your favorite sentence in the comments below. I want to read them. Subscribe to this channel for more English lessons every day. See you in the next video. Keep practicing. You are doing great. Goodbye.